Hey, it's Angelo with Angelo's Edge here again. Got a little treat here. I got a emergency first aid kit that my mother-in-law gave myself and my wife after she. I think she might have watched a video of me putting together the the newer first aid kit, and I think she might have had this hanging in her garage or something. I don't know. She was just getting rid of stuff, so she thought that I'd like it, and I said, "Heck yeah, I'll take it." And my classic thought, I'll unbox it. So it's kind of cool. Obviously, it's I think from the 1970s. I have to look this number up here. I didn't see that until just now. That's 8116B1. So I put another first aid kit together, and this is more for fun. I opened it, and a lot of the stuff's outdated, obviously, but here it is. So it's metal. It's Johnson and Johnson kit. I'm trying to get my cords in my way here. We don't yank everything out of the way. All right. So it's like I said, metal, hinged. It has these things you could hang on the wall, so you'd hang it. So, anyways, of course, when I bought it's like soft, and I don't think they make them like this anymore. But here's, you open it up. Got, I think this is maybe a wrap, like a a sling, like if you break your arm. Looks like someone put some new batteries, new band-aids in it. I'm pretty sure it didn't have 3M batteries back in the 70s, or 3M band-aids, so we'll set these aside. I don't think they're original. Well, this looks original. This is a waterproof tape. See what? There you go. Johnson and Johnson safe, easier to tear, 1/2 inch waterproof tape. I was trying to find a date somewhere. I haven't found nothing on them yet. Oh, what's the guy here? This might have been bought separately. Look at this. It's a receipt for Open Pantry. Never heard it. $1.99. That's cool. That's some archaeological gold right there. If you're liking the receipts and stuff. But let's see if I see a date. So this might not be the original, even though it says Johnson and Johnson. This might not be the original tape because it does have this. I don't know what that is. It's a receipt. It looks like not receipt, a sticker from a store. So we'll set that aside. I don't think this is original. So we'll set this over here. And Johnson and Johnson iPad. Ha! That's funny. It's not. Oh man, the camera got turned. An iPad's not exactly what I think about today. I think of that's kind of funny. Man, I can't get my. I don't think of this as an iPad. Where's my Apple iPad? So this is a. Hey, this would be a good. So I'm selling an iPad for 50 cents. It come in mail, and you're expecting an Apple iPad and do some electronic stuff, and you get this. That's rotten. Okay. What we got? More. Another iPad. I could sell two for one. Two iPads for $1. Yeah. They're not apples though. Oh damn! There's 3 iPads. Man, whoever thought this would have 3 iPads in this box? Another one of these. I do not think it goes with it. Oh, original Johnson and Johnson Band-Aid from probably the 70s. Safety pin. Johnson Johnson sterile gauze pad. Still don't see no dates. Easy dressing, ideal, larger cuts and scratches. Alright, so we got iPads, we got sterile pads, we got safety pin. I don't know if these are. I can't say these are original to it or not. Antiseptic wipes. They could be. They might not be original to the Johnson and Johnson. But man, my camera keeps moving on me. It might not be original to like the actual first aid kit, but I think they're vintage. I think they're 70s vintage. So I'm gonna keep it with. Well, I'm keeping all of it together, but I'm just trying to separate what I think was original and which wasn't original. Iodine ornament. Like, I don't think these are original. They look too new. Side. Gauze is sorbent. 8-ply. Sterile. Like it's wrapped in. This is vintage. I don't want to unwrap it, but I mean, they don't wrap stuff like this anymore. So that's pretty cool. Put that back in. So someone's opened it, but just kind of put it back where I found it. Oh, check these out. Oh my god, these are like little tiny. I don't know if it came with it or I remember these from kindergarten. Look at that, made in USA. I don't know if you can see it on this camera here. Let's try. It says USA. I don't know. Try this one. None of these cameras that detailed. That one might show it. But yeah, these look like little kindergarten. I wonder if I got something I cut. I wonder if they actually cut. Here's some eyeglass cleaner. See if the Johnson & Johnson scissors cut. I don't know. I get by in a pinch. Definitely get you by in a pinch. So they do cut. I'm getting down to the nitty gritty. Right here is get rid of these. These are 3M Band-Aids. 3M Band-Aids. Man, there's a lot of Band-Aids in this. Oh, this one's open. This one too. This is awesome how they're like they're wrapped in almost like paper, so you can see that. Don't look. I mean, it's not like my new first aid kit, but this isn't gonna be used. This is just nostalgic. This might go hang in my garage. Just I don't know. Heck, this might just sit up here. I don't know, just because it's cool. Improved gauze Band-Aids. Alright. I'm trying to close this back up. I think it was ripped that way. I don't know. Looks like so far I've only found one original Johnson & Johnson Band-Aid. And I think another gauze pad. Oh, opened up also. Oh, this one looks like it might have been used. It's been opened up there, it looks like on the inside. Well, not used, but partially. The paper's been gone. Down to the bottom of the box. Let's see. Oh, another safety pin. And that's what the box looks like. And it said the contents. 2 Red Cross improved bandages. Oh, I guess I'm blocking my face. You don't need to see me for a second. 1 Red Cross improved Band-Aid. 1 Red Cross improved Band-Aids. Oh, you did get the scissors. 1 pair of scissors. Check that out. 1 pair of scissors. So that was part of a first aid guidebook. I didn't see a first aid guidebook. Oh, originally there were 6 iPads. How about that? Who would have thought in the 1970s you can get 6 iPads in a box? Let's see what we got. Scissors, 12. It's not a complete set, but it has a lot of the stuff that was in here. It's still pretty cool because I was doing a little Check this out. Watch this here. Shit. Bam. And bam. Checking some of this puppy stuff out. And yeah, that's kind of the same thing right there. And I think that's just a box. Let's see. Rare find. I think that's just a box too. That's crazy. $34 for just a box. Now, kids, this is D&D Old Metal First Aid Kit. Blah blah blah. You could buy yourself one off of where this SD. Here's this one. It's $39. Let's see. Emergency kit. This one. Oh, this one looks like it has a. Has some pictures. Oh, well, that's, see, I don't even think that's an original. I mean, some of the original stuff I could see. Like that might, I don't know. I mean, this one's not all original either. I can't really. I wish I had to, that one says 1972. But, oh, that one's a little different. It has the hooks here. This one has it on the back. About the same condition. That one has hooks. Yeah, I don't know when this was. This one says 70s. I'm guessing this has to be. The font's a little different though. All right. If you get a font on the one I have, and this one, or let's see, come back, and the font on that one and this one are different. So you can see that. Alright. Made in the USA. The back of this. So, got stamped in there. Made in the USA. Alright. So, there's a. Not totally complete first aid kit from. I'm guessing 70s. I don't think as far back as the 60s. It could be anywhere from the 60s, 70s, 80s. Probably more like the 60s and 70s. But so there you go. If you what your mom and dad's first aid kit used to look like. All right. If you like videos like this, knife videos, unboxings, you know, this camera, I gotta tighten this camera up. It just keeps losing on me. But if you like videos like this, I'll be making more. Like, share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge, and smash that bell. Take care.